Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Glad you're all here with me. So today I've come on to discuss storage. Now, if you guys are anything like me, once I have made a project or an album, a journal or etc., I have loads of papers and ephemera and stuff that I have left over. Now, again, if you like me, I don't like to throw that away, do you? I find it very wasteful. But then it's normally paper collections that I know I'm going to come back to at some point. So I have lots and lots of folders, and they're plastic folders that are shoved into paper storage containers and put away on a shelf somewhere, etc. So I wanted to try and make something that I can put my ephemera and stuff into, my little cut aparts, bits and pieces like that. So the next time I'm making a journal or something, then I can get them out and use them. Or if you're not going to use that paper collection again, then perhaps you can use the cut aparts and the ephemera and, you know, all your little fussy cut bits and stuff to make tags and things with. So I've been playing, and I say I've been playing, I tried to create a few things. So the first idea I came up with was just a normal folder, just a normal little flip folder, and it does just that, and then it opens, and then you've got all your little cut parts and things in there like so. Okay, but problem being is having that stuck on there like that, there's not a lot of room in there, so it's going to get full up rather quickly. So I'm not going to bother fiddling with that. So then I came up with this idea, another one I made, which again is okay. So you've got this compartment at the top here, which you can put in, you know, A4 sheets of paper, bigger bits of paper like so, which is okay. Again, not much room in there and it's a bit tight. And then you've got a smaller one on the front that you can keep little cut aparts and things in there. No, I don't think there's anything in there. No, nothing in there at the moment. So, but again, it's very flat to the back one, and obviously you're not going to get much in there. So then I made this one. This one is a bit better. As you can see, I've put a like a folded hinge piece on the sides of this, and you will get a lot more in it if that's the sort of thing that you want. See, that will open right up like that, and you can get a lot more in it. Same as the pocket on the front. I made it with a folding hinge on the sides like so. You can see that, so it will pull out and you can get a lot more stuff in it, you know. I just put a few bits of me spare in there just to show you, but again, I still wasn't happy with that. I don't know how you guys are for storage in your craft room, but I have an Ikea Kallax unit. So I ideally wanted something to go into that slot in the Kallax unit because it's got all the squares in it. So I wanted something to go in there that I can put all of like these bits into and have some sort of filing storage thing that suits me. So I came up with another idea. After playing around with them, don't worry, they won't go to waste, they'll probably be used for something or other. So this is what I came up with, guys. Ta-da! Now this box, I made it. This box slips into the Kallax unit perfectly. You've got an 1/8 of an inch gap literally on both sides, and it just slides in there perfectly. That's why I've only decorated the front bit. I haven't done the sides, and I haven't done the back. I've not touched the bottom, it's just plain black. It's plain black on the inside. But you're only going to see this bit and whatever is in it. So I created that. That fits in the Kallax unit absolutely perfectly. Then I decided to make these little boxes. And as you can see, it's got grunge clocks and it's folder number 2. Now these are little boxes that are sort of 1/2 inch thick, made out of 1 sheet of A3 card, which is great for me because I have lots of A3 black card. And they just open like so. It has a little flap on each side here, so it's going to hold your stuff in, and then once that's closed on the top there, nothing's going to fall out of it. And then there's plenty of room in here to put all your pieces of paper and stuff. And I don't very often have like sheets of A4 paper left over, and if I do, then I can just leave them tucked down the side or something, you know, or I will probably use it for something else, and then obviously they tie up on there. So I just made a couple, and I used the paper collection that folder actually belongs to. So that one's White Daisies and Butterflies, and that's folder number 3. Folder number 1 is out and collecting stuff as we speak. So the idea is these are going to go in here like this, okay, and that will fill up eventually because they'll all stack up in front of each other. Don't know how many you'd get in here, to be honest. Probably, I don't know, about 12 to 15 folders in each side of that. So plenty in there to you know, be getting on with for the time being. And then what I've done is a notebook. Now this will slip just in the front here, in front of all the folders, and I'm just simply going to write in it like that. So instead of flipping through all the folders, I can just flip that out and go, right, I want that one, you know, and that'll be stuck in there, and then I can just go straight to it and go, right, okay, I know number 10 is on that side, or number 5 is on that side, and then that will just, you know, keep track of everything that I've got in there. I know what's in there, so if I do need more storage, then I could just make another one of these to go in another section, and then that's all in there, and it's all safe and tidy, and it all looks pretty. It goes with my new decor in my craft room. So yeah, that's that. So after spending a few hours of playing with different folders and coming up with some sort of idea for storage for my papers, this is what I ended up with, and I'm really happy with this. So every time I'm finished using a paper collection now, it will take me 5 minutes to knock up one of these little boxes, and then I can write in my notepad what it is, and then just make one of these to put all your stuff in. As I said, it's like 1/2 inch thick, so there's plenty of space in there to you know, be putting all your bits and pieces in there, like so. Okay, so yeah, I just wanted to come on and share that with you guys. I hope you like that. Not sure if I will be doing a tutorial for it, probably not for the box, it's too much. I can't fit it all on the desk. I have to do it on the table as well, because each of these pieces are cut out to size, and then they're backed on paper, and then you have to kind of stick them together and hold it in place while you're doing it, and it's a bit awkward on my desk. I need the big table to be able to do that. But if you want to know how to make these little folders and things, then yeah, let me know down in the comments what you think, guys. Please leave a like, please subscribe if you're new to the channel and you enjoy what you're seeing. And that's it for today, guys. I will speak to you again really soon. Mwah, love to you all, and bye bye for now.